Tails is the call, and tails it is. Good toss to win. They really need to make most of the conditions now. These are the playing 11s. With a loud cheer.
Pace bowler into the tank.
One.
Oh, shot, but only a single.
In.
Straight up in the air, and that's a six.
Batting. Wonder where the next one is going. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six. No ball call.
Showtime. Crowd going mad here. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. Again.
That's gone high in the air. And that's gonna clear the boundary for a six.
From the last match.
He has hammered that. And that sails into the crowd for a six. Pacer introduced from the other end. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets.
Strokes it into the gap for a single.
But to go for it at this stage of the match. That is a very quick single taken.
And he helps himself to a six. Change in the bowling. Pacer being brought back.
He bowls to this field. Got the elevation right.
That's six. He picked up the length very early.
There's no better sight than watching him bat at his best.
That is six. That is just magnificent batting.
Oh, wonder where the next one is going to fly.
In the air, this is six. It's a magnificent strike. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Oh, he picked up that nicely.
Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? What a catch by the fielder.
Has to walk back into the deck now. Expect some serious ball.
Oh, that's huge.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Cover.
Great shot. He has dispatched that. And the fielder
Scintillating
can...
batting. Wonder where the next one is going. Straight up in the air, and that's a six. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here.
Got the
Change
elevation.
in the bowling. Pacer being brought.
First ball. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six.
Can he do it again?
Got the elevation right. The line he bowls to this field.
Nudges it for a single.
Arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
That's gone high in the air. And that's gonna clear the boundary for a six.
Carried his form from the last match.
He has hammered that. And that sails into the crowd for a six.
Sight than watching him bat at his best. And he helps himself to a six.
Things comes to a close. The target is set and the openers rush to the pavilion. Keeping wickets in hand would be
Pace bowler into the tank.
edged and it's safe. Falls in no man's land. That is a very good lead by the batsman.
That is in the air and in the gap as well.
Goes. Going to fly.
That's six. He picked up the length very early. That is six. That is just magnificent batting.
Shots. What is he going to do next?
That is four. Time that to perfection. Oh, shot, but only a single.
Pacer introduced from the other end.
In the air, this is six. It's a magnificent strike. This is simple.
That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. Trees here. That is excellent running.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up. It is short arm.
Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into...
Can he do it again?
That's into the gap. Should look for two.
Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery.
Brought back. Line he bowls to this field. Great shot. He has dispatched that. And
Straight up in the air, and that's a six.
unable to missed out on the last one. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't. They have run the first one quick. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to. They are calling for two. That's gone high in the air. And that's gonna...
Strokes it into the gap for a single.
He has hammered that. And that sails into the crowd for a 6.
And he helps himself to a 6.
Pacer being brought back. That is 6. That is just magnificent batting.
To this field. Got the elevation right. That is a very quick single taken.
Chance of a run out, and that's out.
Good lines all day. In the end, the target was a little too much for the bat.